got fight stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming like blue water.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Destiny back here again with another video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can keep up with all of my latest videos. Today, as you can tell from the thumbnail and the title, I will be trimming my split ends. I know some of you are like, oh my god, what is she doing? She's gonna cut her hair out. Y'all, I've done it before. Hair grows back. I'm not tripping. And it really grows back faster when you trim your ends, honestly. But, so, the tools that you will need for today is scissors. Of course, I have 2 pairs just to see which ones I like best or whatever. Then, I have a comb for parting. Then, I have a detangling brush for brushing out my hair, because I don't use a comb. I do have one of these combs, the wide tooth combs, just in case I need it, but I don't think I will. And then I have the clips, the clamps. I have one clamp. I forgot what the other one is. I'll find it in a minute. And then I have these for, you know, holding my hair in place. And then the main essential thing, y'all, speaker and my other phone. It's on a charger. But music, because let me tell you, people get bored, okay? But let's go ahead and get into this video so you can see how I trim my split ends. So first I begin by parting my hair straight down the middle. This is where I begin braiding my hair into separate sections. I will then repeat the previous steps on the next side. It's also best to oil your hair while it's in sections. Now it's time to cut the ends, and you just cut the end of the braids that you already plaited. I took the braids out and I put it into a quick little ponytail to close out the video. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.